Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operation performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to zero the transducers on your XD-502 console. Periodically, you'll need to zero your deltaP and your deltaH sensors. To do this, you'll just go into the menu by pressing the up button for 3 seconds. Using the down arrow, scroll until you see the zero sensors option. Press select. You will get a zero transducers message, and in brackets it'll say only works when the timer equals 0. Press select, and you can press the timer button to exit out to the main menu screen, and your deltaP and your deltaH transducers will then be zeroed.